This episode is called Wario vs. Elmo. Hey, I'm Elmo, and today we're gonna go visit Wario and see if he likes me now, I guess. Alright, let's go. What do you all want? I wanna see if you like me again. If I like you again? What do you mean? If you like me again? Oh no. No. Ow. I don't like him. I'll never like him. Hopefully I'll be back for more. Hopefully.